Hi everyone, it's Mary Lou here. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time joining us, welcome. My voice doesn't usually sound like this. I'm going back through some things that I filmed earlier because after over 2 years of our family avoiding COVID, we got hit with it just this week. And so it's made it a little bit hard for me to get filming done. And so I thought, just so that you didn't think I'd forgotten about you, I'd go back and give you some footage of things that I had filmed earlier that I actually didn't make into videos, just so that you know I'm thinking about you, and I appreciate all of you who watch my channel and for the support that gives to me and my family, and particularly for Anne. And so this video that I'm going to share with you today is a special experiment that we tried because we knew the trend of these dump cakes has become popular. So when it was Anne's birthday a couple of months ago, we decided to give it a try. And so this is our results with the dump cake.
It's blue. A little bit of.
So Anne wanted her cake to be a Princess Jasmine cake. So I found a picture in Google Images and printed it off on a mirror image of each other so I could have two sides, and then I laminated it around and put it on a stick, and that's going to go right into the center of the cake. So we made our frosting, and the cake is a chocolate cake. That's what Anne wanted, and I went ahead and did the crumb coat with white, and then we're going to get ready to dump this onto the top.
Okay. And now come the sprinkle. Now come the sprinkles in just a minute. You'll be opening that one. Thank you.
Okay. Are you watching?
Yeah, we're all watching. Are you watching? Look. Okay. Here we go. Here come.
Okay, go.
There comes green glitter. Here comes the blue glitter. Okay. Do we put Jasmine in now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, here we go. This is a wild experiment. She's going to have to go down pretty low. Is that okay? Yeah, that's great. Okay, you ready, Anne?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, here we go. It worked! Wow!
Wow, it's such a glittery dress.
Oh, she has a dress on, Anne. It worked! Shall we cut a piece for you?
Mm-hmm.
They're really tall, so I'm going to cut them super skinny. Cut it a little deeper.
Don't put that knife in front of me.
Don't put your face so close.
We're gonna do them skinny. But I should have cut that first one bigger. Hold on. Hold on. We're gonna cut it a little bigger so that we can see it.
That's what editing is for.
Oh.
I would too.
There we go. Okay, Anne. Here, you have this piece. And I'll move this, and then we can,
what about this part?
I'll take care of it.
Sorry, the filming is a little bit wonky with that. It was kind of hard to film and still give Anne a view of her cake, but it turned out great. And here's a view of the cake after it's been cut on one side, but it turned out great, and we had so much fun with it. And so give this kind of a cake a try yourself, and you'll see how much fun it is to do a dump cake. Thanks for watching. I'll see if I can find some other footage that I have already filmed so that while we're sick, you can still have some fun things to watch on my channel. And so we'll see you next time.